Hey, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and today we're going to talk in this video about don't do that. It's very useful for us to learn. Maybe not that we don't want to use it to tell someone, but we certainly want to be able to understand when someone tells it to us, says to us to not to do something. So we talked before about simple commands to do something, and we covered that earlier, and that was haseo, right? So we want you to just do please do something, right? So haseo, right? And today we're going to talk about don't do that, and that's going to take a very simple form for us. And I really love this about Korean, that if you take the time to learn the structures and forms, then you can get to where you can just kind of plug and play into there, right? So we have this VS, that's verb stem, right? So we have the infinitive form, right? So if we have hada, we could just do that here, hada. Hada is the verb stem. So if we take the verb, that's the verb root, right? Infinitive form. So hada, so we just take ha, right? So we just take ha, ji maseyo. So hajimaseo. Really good phrase to just use it anytime. We don't have to be specific about what it is not to do. Just hajimaseo. And we could shorten that down to really, if we really wanted to make just really informal. Haji, speaking Japanese, sorry there. 미안하다. 하지 마. 하지마. Okay? So, 일본어 하지마. Please don't speak Japanese. Sorry, slipped there. So, and we have 하지 마세요, right? So, don't do that. So we have that verb stem, right? 먹다, to eat, the infinitive form of to eat, 먹다. So we just take the verb stem and we add it to 지 마세요. So we get 먹지 마세요. So we can just turn it into 먹지 마세요. Right? So 먹지 마세요. Don't eat that, right? Don't eat. Remember that we don't always have to have the subject in the sentence, right? So really simple form. So we can just take our verb stem, and so 공부하지 마세요. 공부하다, to study, right? 공부하지 마세요. 하지 마세요. 먹지 마세요. All right? So very simple. All right? Hope you find that really helpful and that you can get some use out of that right away in your Korean language practice. All right? So please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment or a question below, and please check out the links below to LearnKoreanFast.com and also to my books on Amazon, because that does help me to keep making these videos for you. So 다음에 뵙시다.